for our temporary point 3. And then our last step to get our unknown point will be to add 9.72. Gives us our instrument height of 470.85. And then the last step to get our final point here is to subtract 3.8. So our unknown elevation is 467.05 feet. Now let's just look at this whole thing too and see if that makes sense. We started off at 462.5 feet over here. We know that that's correct. If we go straight across in a horizontal direction, making sure that's nice and straight, do you agree that this distance here looks to be about 5 feet difference? And it does. So this is another way to kind of check to see if your math is right. It should be 5 feet more, not 5 feet less. So to make sure you didn't subtract or add when you were supposed to add or subtract. And that's how you kind of just check to see if your math is right. So you have a couple of, actually 1, 2, 3, 4 examples of the same thing that you can practice on. And you're going to use the same system to transfer the information and find this unknown elevation here on this side. So you have these two and these two. In some cases too, pay attention to what's going on. In some cases you're going to be dropping or going up in a new elevation, a higher elevation or lower elevation, and you just need to make sure you're looking at the correct number as you go through. So this is your back sight for this instrument, your foresight, back sight, foresight, back sight, foresight, back sight, foresight, back sight, foresight. And so make sure you're looking at the correct number as you go, and you should get this right. Okay? And that's it. That's how you get contour lines.